Hello friends and dear students, hope you are doing well. Today in this video we'll discuss a little bit about uh, how to sketch the graph of the domain of the function. Okay, so in this video we'll discuss how to draw the graph, okay, of the domain of the function. Okay, so let's write some functions and then we will write their domain and then we'll sketch the graph of the domain. Okay, look at the first example here. F of x y is equivalent to 1 over x minus y square. Okay, let's think about that. What will be the domain of that function? Okay, look here in the denominator. In numerator there is no problem. Okay, the real problem arises when the x minus y square will be 0, then the function will be undefined. Okay, but we did not need that. There must be x minus y square must be greater than 0. Okay, or you can say that cannot equal to 0, because if x minus y square equivalent to 0, it means that the function is undefined. Okay, so that is our domain. Let's some simplification. X y into right side, so that is y square. Y square is equivalent to x. So let's think about that. Okay, this is the, imagine, what is this? This is the parabola to the right side, okay, which opens on the right side of the xy plane, like this. This is xy and this is how we can sketch the graph of domain of that graph of the function. Okay, that is x plane, that is y plane. Okay, so that's what it is. So go to the, now we'll look at another example, then you will understand it better. Okay, so let's go towards another example. So let's, easy one, log of 1 minus x square minus y square. So look at that function. If 1 minus x square minus y square, okay, will be 0, then the function will be undefined. Okay, if log of minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 will be the negative value, then the function will also undefined. So you must have 1 minus x square minus y square must be greater than 0, not equal to 0, not less than 0. Okay, 1 minus x square minus y square must be greater than 0, so then our function will be defined. Okay, let's some simplification here. Minus x square minus y square greater than 1. Let's take common minus from there. X square plus y square, there will be minus. Okay, sorry, minus 1. When minus will shift towards right side, then the sign of equality will be changed. X square plus y square less than plus 1. So that is our domain. Now sketch the graph of that domain. It's xy plane, so that is x, that is y. Okay, and let's solve for x intercept, and then x is equal to plus minus 1 and y is equivalent to plus y. When we solve for x, then x is equal to plus minus 1. When we solve for y, then y is equivalent to plus minus 1. this is origin, this is -1, this is +1, this is +1 of y, and this is -1. So joint all these points like this. Okay, and what will be the condition given to us? What will be the domain? X square plus y square must be less than 1. Okay, means the domain will be this, inside the sphere or circle, you can say. You will shade it, and that's how this is. Let's look at another example. Hope you are understanding this. Now we're going towards third example here, and let's look at some under root x square plus y square minus 4. So write the function here, -4. So if x square plus y square minus 4 equal to 0, then there's no problem. Okay, but when x square plus y square minus 4 is less than 0, then there's a problem, because it will become imaginary. Okay, so our condition must be x square plus y square minus 4 must be greater than 0. Okay, mean positive value, or x square plus y square minus 4 must be equal to 0. Okay, so let's solve for this. X square plus y square greater than or equal to 4. So that is our domain. Okay, draw the sketch of this domain. This is y plane, this is x plane. Okay, solve for x, then this is origin. Okay, solve for x, then is +2 and -2, -2. This one -2, +2, and when we will solve for y, then there's a +2 and -2 of y. That is +2, and that is -2. So combine all these factors, all these points, like that. Okay, so what will be our domain? X square plus y square will be greater than or equal to 4. It means that it cannot be lies inside the sphere. It will be, this will all the domain. All this is the domain. I'm shading, except these. Okay, except these under the sphere or inside the sphere. So our third example is, hope you understand better. If you have any kind of question, kindly comment, ask me in the comment section. I'll answer you myself. Okay, let's move towards our fourth example, and that is look some like this log. Log of 9 minus x square minus 9y square. Okay, so look here, we already discussed this type of question. 9 minus x, first of all, write here. No, what must be the condition is, should be, okay, 9, if 9 minus x square minus 9y square, if this will equal to 0, then the function will be undefined. And if 9 minus x square minus 9y square less than 0, the function will also undefined. So 9 minus x square minus 9y square must be greater than 0, like this. Okay, To solve it, minus x square minus 9y square greater than minus 9. Okay, I shift it towards right side. Now take common from here, take minus common from here. X square plus 9y square greater than minus 9. And when we shift minus negative sign towards right side, then the sign of equality also changes and this will become positive. X square plus 9y square less than 9. Okay, look at that. This is becoming ellipse. Okay, make one here. If we make one here like this, so x square over 9 plus y square over 1, and here is also 1. Okay, so solve it. It will become like this. If we solve that function like this, it's a region 0. That's how you can draw the domain of that function. -3, -1, -2, -3, +1, +2, and +3. Okay, so this is kind of ellipse. Okay, if you I'll make it again because it's not look like ellipse. Okay, it's like a circle because I look at that. Now we'll, sorry for bad drawing. Origin -1, -2, -3, +1, +2, and +3. -1, -2, -3. This is x, this is y. +1, +2, and +3. So it will become ellipse like this. Okay, so that kind of ellipse are becoming. So what the condition are x square plus y square. So this is a less than sign. X square or 9 plus y square 1 less than 1 or less than 1. Okay, so that is a condition. So it must be like shading inside this. Okay, not should go out of the box. Okay, so this is our sketching of that function, of the domain of that function. Now we're going towards another example. Hope you understand that kind of example, because practice makes man's perfect. Okay, do practice, you understand it. If you can have any kind of question, kindly ask me freely. Okay, don't be hesitate. Look at another example. I think example number 6 here. X log of y square minus x. This must be by yourself like this. Solution. What must the condition? Look at this. First of all, write that. Okay. Then similarly, y square minus x must be greater than 0, because when if y square minus x will be equal to 0, then the function will be undefined. And if y square minus x will be less than 0, then function will also be undefined, because log of -1 error, okay, undefined, and log of 0 is also undefined. So y square minus x must be greater than 0. and y square greater than x. Now solve yourself. This is kind of, hyperbola. Sorry, parabola. This is parabola. Solve yourself and you'll understand it better. Similarly, draw xy plane here. Okay, roughly xy plane, and draw the parabola. It will open towards, x side, mean right side. Sketch that function, the domain of that function. Okay. Look, some complicated example. I'm looking for some complicated. There's a lot of log examples here. Not examples I'm looking for. These are all log examples. Well, hope you understand these examples. Okay, so write three examples here. Okay, do yourself. If you have any kind of confusion or any kind of question, kindly comment me. Okay, and I'll also put my email address, in a description. If you don't hesitate, please. Something you will learn from me and something I will learn from you. So these learning process will continue. Okay, so do these examples must now, right now. Okay, so I hope you understand this, how we can sketch the graph of the domain of the function. Okay, so thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much.